So, oh my word, I had problem finding the bottom to get the horse in. This is what happens when you pour an ombre and then you're putting the embed in blind. So let's see what I have. Oh, well, that one's not bad. Not quite perfect, but not bad. Whew. Let's try this end. Well, I'd rather he go into the ground than be floating. So, again, not bad. I don't know which. Also, I tried really hard not to get air gaps. That's not bad. I'm fingers crossed. Okay, let's check this end. Ooh, okay, he tipped forward a little bit. Not the end of the world. And there's the top with the horseshoe and the rope, and the goal, if it doesn't make it too tall, is I want to get this hat on the edge. I'm just not sure if it will work and still fit in the box. I have to go play and see. Okay, this not quite perfect. This tail ends up a bit, but it's not completely awful. Yeah, my Western. Whew. Okay, so not too bad. The soap gods were with me yesterday, and they didn't make this a complete disaster. It's not perfect, but it's not awful. So I'll take it. Oh, that one must have just been the end piece. Oh, okay. So now I need to see if I can get the hat. Like, I should have made this a little bit smaller, but I didn't. So, like, there's barely any wiggle room up there. Maybe I put it on the side. Let's see. Whoop. Cool. Not gonna quite go. Okay. I don't know. We'll see. I'll play a bit and see if I can make it work. If not, it's not the end of the world if it doesn't have its hat. Though it would really be cute if it did. Whew. Okay, I would say the book soaps were a success, and I am really happy about these and excited.